Hi students, today we can study exercise 14.3 question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. In here one data given, that means first column number of letters in one name, how many letters? Okay, that is 1 to 4. How many surnames? 6. Then 4 to 7 letters, 30. Then like that one data given in here. We have to find out median, then mean, and also mode, model class. Then median, mean, mode we have to find out. We can do one by one. For that, first we need one table. Number of letters, number of surnames, that will be AFI frequency. Number of letters 1 to 4, frequency is 6. Then 4 to 7, frequency is 30. Then 7 to 10, 40. Then 10 to 13, 16. 13 to 16, frequency is 4. Then 16 to 19, frequency is 4. Then we can make, first we will find out median. For that we can draw one more column, that is cumulative frequency CF. CF, first write this 6, then 6 plus 30. 6 plus 30 how much? 36. Then 36 plus 40 is 76. 76 plus next number, that is 16. 76 plus 16, 92. 92 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. Then in here small letter n, otherwise capital letter N, anything you can use. Then I am using small letter n. What is small letter n? That means if you add all the frequency, you will get 100. You can write in here 100. Here, first median. Okay, we can write median. Median. Here, n by 2 equal to 100 divided by 2 equal to 50. N by 2 is 50. In cumulative frequency, where is 50? In between 36 and 76. Then this 36 will be CF. In between 36 and 76 only 50. Then proceeding, first cumulative frequency CF. Then just come downside, this 40 will be F. This is our median class. Therefore median class equal to 7 to 10. F equal to 40. Cumulative frequency CF equal to 36. H equal to, H means class width. Then 4 minus 1, you will get 3. Then L means lower limit of median class. This is median class 7 to 10. And here lower limit is 7. Upper limit 10. And then we can write median. Students, in your notebook, don't write in here because we have to extend this table for mean. Median equal to, that formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L in here 7 plus N by 2. N by 2 already we got it, that is 50 minus CF is 36, then F is 40, here we already written in here, into H. H is 3. 7 plus 50 minus 36, you will get 14. Divide by 40 into 3. Thus 40 and 14 cancel using by 2. 7 times. In here 20. Using by 2, just divide that. 7 plus 7 into 3, 21 divided by 20. Equal to 7 plus divide 21 divided by 20. 21 divided by 20. In 21 one time 20, then 1. Add 1 0 same time 1 point. 10 divided by 20 we cannot do. Add 1 more 0, 2 0 we added in here, that time 1 0 in answer. In 100 5 times. 5 into 20 100. Then we will get 1.05 equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8.05. 8.05. Then what will be our unit number of letters, isn't it? That means 8.05 letters. Now we got median. Then next is mean. We have to find out mean. For mean, we can extend same table. Write in here mid value xi. Then ui, step deviation method, we can use ui means xi minus a divided by h. The last column is ui fi. Then xi in between 1 and 4. Which number? How can find out middle number? 1 plus 4, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 1 plus 4, you will get 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2, divide, correct? 5 divided by 2, 2 times 4, 1 add 1 0, 1 point, in turn 5. You will get 2.5. 2.5. Then 4 and 7. In between 4 and 7, which number? Just add 4 plus 7 divided by 2. 4 plus 7 is 11 divided by 2. 11 divided by 2. In 11, 5 times 10. 1 add 1 0, 1 point, in 10, 5. You will get 5.5. Then 7 and 10. 7 and 10. 7 plus 10 divided by 2. That is 17 divided by 2. We can divide. What will we get? Just to cut it. In 17, 8 times, then 0.5. We will get 8.5. Then same like that. 10 and 13. Which number? You will get 11.5. Then 13 and 16. 13 and 16, 14.5. Then 16 and 19, 17.5. Now we got all mid value. You can find out another way also. First find out this first two mid values, 2.5 and 5.5. Then check it what is different. This 5.5, 4.5, just leave it. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, you will get 3, isn't it? Then 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. Like that also you can find out that 3 is class width from here. Then UI, we can take any number like assumed mean A. Shortcut method, in here 0, this will be minus 1, upside minus 2. Then downside part 1, 2, 3. Then UIFI, 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 30 into minus 1, minus 30. 40 into 0, 40 into 0 is 0. Then 16 into 1, 16. Then 4 into 2, 8. Then 4 into 3, 12. Now we need what we need? We need sum of UIFI. Sum of UIFI equal to, look in here, minus 12 plus 12. When you add that will be 0. Then remaining minus 30. Minus 30. Then that is only one negative number. Positive numbers 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8, how much? 24. Then 24 minus 30. That means 30 minus 24. You will get 6, isn't it? 30 minus 24 is 6. Then in here 30 is big number, isn't it? That sign is minus. That sign only we can use in answer. You will get sum of UIFI equal to minus 6. I equal to 1 to n. Then mean by step deviation method. We are going to use step deviation. Step deviation method. First we can write n. Capital letter N, small letter n and capital letter N is equal. Then capital letter N equal to 100. Then sum of UIFI equal to minus 6. H, class width 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 you will get 3. Then A means assumed mean. Already we took 8.5. Now we got all the values. We can use that formula. Mean representing by x bar. X bar equal to A plus sum of UIFI divided by N into H equal to, what is A? A in here we took 8.5. 8.5 plus sum of UIFI, that is minus 6 divided by N. N in here 100 into H. What is H? H in here we already written 3, isn't it? 8.5 plus and minus, we can write minus 6 into 3. You will get 18 divided by 100. 18 divided by 100. Then 8.5 minus 18 divided by 100. Check it in here. In 100, 2 zeros are there, isn't it? Then when you divide using by 100 means after point we need 2 numbers. 1. We can subtract 8.5 then minus, just put 1 0, then 0.18, in here 2 4 minus 1 3, then 8.32 letters. This is our mean. Then next we have to find out mode also. Now we can see mode. For mode, first check it in frequency table. Highest frequency. What is highest frequency in here? That is 40. We can write that is F1. F1. Then just preceding frequency is F0. Then succeeding frequency is F2. Then in here highest frequency is 40. That's why model class will be 7 to 10. Mode. Here F1 highest frequency, that is 40. Therefore model class, here model class is 7 to 10. 7 to 10. L means lower limit of model class, that is 7. Next F0 is 30. F2 equal to 16. H equal to, H means class width, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, you will get 3. Then mode, one formula already was studied, that is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L. What is L? L means 7. Plus F1 is 40 minus F0. What is F0? In here 30. Divided by 2 into F1. F1 is 40 minus F0 is 30. F2 is 16 into H is 3. 7 plus 40 minus 30 is 10 divided by 2 into 40, 80 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. 7 plus 10 divided by 80 minus 30, that will be 50. 50 minus 16 will get 34 into 3. Seven plus 10 into 3, 30 divided by 34. Then you can divide. 30 divided by 34, just add 1 0, 1 point. In 300, how many times 34? That will be 8 times. 8 into 4, 32, remainder 3. 8 into 3, 24 plus 3, 27. Then 8, in here remaining 9. 9 minus 7, 2, 28. Add 1 0. Then in 280, 8 times we will get same 272. Then in here 8. Then add 1 0, 80. 80 divided by 34 2 times. We will get 7 plus 0.882. This one we can write 7.88 letters. This is our answer. Mode equal to 7.88 letters.